I know it says day in the life of a UCL student, but there isn't an average day. There are so many things that make it nearly impossible to have the same routine every day, every week. So I'm just doing like a vlog, you know, just a vlog day. My route to uni is usually around 15 minutes, so it's a nice walk. I get to think about things and mentally prepare myself for the day. I have a lecture at 11, but my laptop's dead, so I might have to watch it in the library live. Yeah, I ended up doing my lecture online because my laptop and my phone were very low on battery, so I was charging them at the same time. As you can see, I put my jacket on because I was in the basement area for the Iov Library and it gets really cold there, especially if you're next to the window, and I'm usually next to the window. Now I'm on my way to pick up my sister's hoodie from LSE, so I have to walk another 20 minutes, but the weather's really good luckily. It's closed right now for half an hour. I could go into the library as I have our ID, so it's fine. But I don't know. I'll just have to wait till at least 2 o'clock. A hoodie has been acquired by myself. Imposter at LSE. Now I'm on my way back to UCL. This is Russell Square, so it's right next to uni. Decided to have hunter-gatherer style lunch day. Wanted to get some food before we spent another hour studying at uni, so decided to go to Fold, like the university pizza place. We're in the refectory right now, eating the food. Most people, they get like McDonald's or like whatever food from outside. We are going to the library now to study for another hour, and then I'm gonna go home. Nope, instead of the library we ended up just studying in the print room cafe for the next hour. Leaving uni now. It's like 6:40. The road on the right leads towards Tottenham Court Road, and then on the left is my way back to King's Cross. Station and I'm getting picked up, so lucky me. Just got home, dinner is ready to eat for me. Usually you just watch TV and then go to sleep and then go to uni the next day, but I'm behind on some work, so I need to do that after I have my food. I'm just gonna take another shower because like I feel really sweaty and stuff from uni. Yeah, I like traveling and stuff like that, so yeah. I ended up after dinner just watching TV, like relaxing because I'm so tired, and it's kind of late now, so I'm gonna wake up early and do the work I was meant to do tomorrow. There might be some tube strikes though, see how that affects everything, but yeah.